Hello and welcome to CryptoCurators.today. I'm Steve Gray, and before we dive into today's agenda, please remember that everything shared on this channel is for educational purposes only. We do not provide financial advice. If you enjoy our video and want to learn more, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Be they good, bad, or indifferent. We love hearing from you. Also, make sure to join our vibrant community forum at CryptoCurators.today. Let's get started with today's insights. Report tokenized recipes, NFTs in the culinary world. The intersection of NFTs and the culinary world is a fascinating topic where the potential for innovation is just beginning to be explored. NFT technology has already revolutionized various industries, including art, gaming, and music, and now it's making its way into the world of food. Tokenized recipes and NFTs are creating new ways for chefs, food creators, and culinary enthusiasts to monetize and share their work in ways that were previously unimaginable. But how does this all work? Let's dive into the world of tokenized recipes and explore the exciting possibilities for the culinary industry. What are tokenized recipes? A tokenized recipe is essentially a recipe that has been turned into a non-fungible token, NFT. An NFT is a unique digital asset stored on the blockchain, making it both verifiable and unchangeable. By creating an NFT for a recipe, chefs can give their culinary creations a new life outside the traditional restaurant or cookbook environment. Tokenized recipes could include anything from a secret sauce, an exclusive dish, or even an entire meal concept. For chefs, creating NFTs for their recipes opens up the potential for new revenue streams. These NFTs could represent limited edition recipes or even act as access passes to private cooking experiences. Think of it as digital ownership of a recipe, where the buyer owns the unique version and the original chef can maintain copyright and royalty benefits through the blockchain. How do NFTs benefit chefs and food creators? Ownership and control. NFTs allow chefs and food creators to retain ownership and control over their work. In traditional publishing or distribution methods, recipes are often shared for free, or ownership rights are transferred to publishers. By tokenizing a recipe, the chef retains the rights to their work and can also track the sale or use of the recipe with transparency through the blockchain. Monetization. Through NFTs, chefs can monetize their recipes in innovative ways. This could include selling individual recipe NFTs, licensing them for use by other chefs, or offering unique culinary experiences for NFT holders. The blockchain enables chefs to earn royalties every time their recipe is resold or used in a new context, ensuring that they are compensated for the ongoing popularity of their work. Exclusivity and collectability. NFTs can add an element of exclusivity to recipes. Chefs can release limited edition recipes as NFTs, creating a sense of scarcity and driving demand. For culinary enthusiasts, owning a tokenized recipe could be a way to collect rare culinary creations or own a piece of food history. Community building. Tokenizing recipes can also help chefs build communities around their food. NFT owners could be given access to exclusive cooking classes, private events, or online cooking sessions. This creates a new form of engagement between chefs and their fans, turning casual followers into active supporters. NFTs in the restaurant business. While tokenized recipes are exciting, restaurants themselves can also benefit from NFTs. For example, some restaurants are exploring the use of NFTs as a means of creating exclusive menus or special tasting events. Customers who own specific NFT tokens may be invited to exclusive events, or they might be able to access secret menu items that aren't available to the general public. In addition, NFTs could allow for the creation of loyalty programs or digital membership cards that offer special perks such as discounts or VIP experiences. These memberships could be tradable on the secondary market, allowing customers to buy and sell their memberships to others. The future of tokenized recipes. The future of tokenized recipes and NFTs in the culinary world is incredibly promising. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, the ways in which NFTs can be used to create and share recipes will expand, bringing new opportunities for chefs, restaurants, and food creators to reach wider audiences and monetize their work. We're already seeing chefs experimenting with NFTs, and some have already begun offering tokenized recipes and experiences. As more chefs and food creators enter the space, the potential for tokenized recipes will only grow. For consumers, the concept of owning unique recipes or gaining access to exclusive culinary experiences through NFTs offers an entirely new way to engage with food culture. As the adoption of blockchain technology increases, we can expect to see more chefs and restaurants exploring these new ways of engaging with their audience and generating revenue. Thanks for watching today's video production. Remember, all content on CryptoCurators.today is strictly for educational purposes and is not intended as financial advice. If you found our video enlightening, please smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and share your views in the comments below. We appreciate all your feedback. Don't forget to join our community forum at CryptoCurators.today for additional engaging discussions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of crypto with us.